So, when reading a product label, I've noticed that some state that they are GMP certified. What does this mean?
Well, it means that most likely they verified their compliance with manufacturing conditions with independent observers. So GMP is a set of rules that defines the quality conditions that products must meet to produce a product regulated by FDA. So when you buy a supplement or buy any drug, they have to meet the GMP standards. Now, um FDA doesn't give those certificates out, so there are companies that would go out and inspect a manufacturing facility and tell them that they are compliant with FDA, and that's what GMP certification means. So when somebody claims to be GMP certified, that's what they should have done. They should have an independent party come and verify that they are manufacturing conditions in compliance with FDA regulations.
Okay, interesting. So, how does a company receive the certification itself in terms of regulations?
Oh, as I said, I mean, you would hire some independent party, somebody who doesn't work for you, somebody who is knowledgeable about FDA's requirements. They'll go and they will verify the compliance status of a site. They will look at the manufacturing facilities, look at the equipment, talk to people, look at their documentation, look at how they store and ship products. So there are many things in manufacturing that controls the quality of a product. So it's not a single issue. It's a multi-dimensional review of a facility that's done. I've done many of those, and those are pretty involved inspections, but they're done by independent parties. So companies would do that.
Okay, and are all companies eligible for a GMP certification?
Any company that's selling a product that they want to claim is manufactured in good conditions, in good quality conditions, should get a certification. It's not required by law. So the law says that you have to be compliant with good manufacturing practices, which means you can self-assign yourselves. You can set up your manufacturing and say, yes, I'm compliant. I read the rules and I know I'm compliant. Or you can have somebody independent come and verify it for you. The difference between doing self and doing somebody else is there's a conflict of interest. If I'm certifying myself, it's very possible that I'm cutting some corners. People can suspect that maybe I'm not looking at it properly. If I get somebody else to come and do it, then now I have delegated the responsibility to somebody else who's going to come, spend time, and tell me if I'm compliant or not compliant. So that's why independent verification is considered very is respected better than doing by yourself.
Okay, and so does that mean that we should be wary of products that are not GMP certified?
Absolutely. If somebody is not even willing to say that they produce the product in good quality, would you want to buy that? If you're buying a cosmetic, buying a supplement, buying anything, and that doesn't tell you if it's made in good quality or not, you should be suspicious of that. It doesn't mean that automatically they are not compliant. I mean, I don't want to say the people who don't have certifications are somehow bad producers. It just means we don't know. They may be, but nobody has checked it. So how do we know they actually are? They may not be.
Interesting.